White and clear ink data options in Fiery XF. White and clear ink data options. In this module, we will discuss the white and clear ink options available in Fiery XF for EFI ViewTech printers. White ink is commonly used for creating backlit and window cling images. Clear ink is commonly used to create a glossy spot varnish effect. In Fiery XF, spot color white _ ink or clear _ ink are available. You can also choose from bounding box, fixed ink amount on printed areas, fixed ink amount on printed areas inverted, dynamic ink amount on printed areas, dynamic ink amount on printed areas inverted, and turn them off. Additionally, there is a spread and choke option available for white ink only. Fiery XF setup, white and clear data options in Fiery XF. Fiery XF setup. In the Server Manager, the white or clear ink printing drop-down menu must be set to the attendant option in the special printer settings of the printer. You can see here, the setting is spot color clear ink on clear ink printing and spot color white ink on white ink printing. Spot color white ink or clear ink. Spot color white ink or clear ink prints the spot color that is defined as white _ ink or clear _ ink within the native file. You can see in this example the spot color white _ ink and clear _ ink will only print white or clear ink in specific areas defined in the original file. Bounding box. Bounding box prints an adjustable amount of white or clear ink on the entire bounding box of the job, independent of individual pixel colors. Bounding box generates a white or clear ink layer the same size as the file's bounding box. Fixed ink amount on printed areas. Fixed ink amount on printed areas. A white or clear ink dot with a single selectable white or clear ink coverage is created for all pixel information other than CMYK 0000, also known as media white. You can see here a full coverage only where the file data is not 0000. Fixed ink amount on printed areas inverted. Fixed ink amount on printed areas inverted. A white or clear ink dot with a single selectable white or clear ink coverage is created for the pixel information equal to CMYK 000 or media white. You can see here full coverage only where the file data is 0000 CMYK. Dynamic ink amount on printed areas. Dynamic ink amount on printed areas. A white or clear ink dot with a variable white or clear ink coverage is created for all pixel information other than CMYK 000 or media white. The white or clear ink coverage dynamically depends on the individual color of the pixel. Dynamic ink amount on printed areas is a variable coverage based on CMYK ink coverage as seen here, where 0000 equals 0% clear ink and 100, 100, 100, 100 of CMYK equals 100% clear ink. Dynamic ink amount on printed areas inverted. Dynamic ink amount on printed areas inverted. The white or clear layer generated by dynamic ink amount on print areas is inverted and then applied. Inverted variable coverage based on CMYK ink coverage, where 0000 or media white represents 100% clear ink, as seen here, and full 100, 100, 100, 100 of CMYK represent 0% clear ink. Off. When white ink printing and clear ink printing are set to off, no white or clear layer will be created. Spread and choke for white ink only. In the Server Manager, spread and choke options are available for white ink data. Spread increases the printed area of the white ink data, while choke decreases the printed area of the white ink data. White ink spread. You can see in this example here the white elements before and the white elements after. The gray represents the overlap areas of the white and the CMYK. Essentially, the white elements grow in size. White ink choke. You can see in this example the white elements before and the white elements after. Again, the gray area represents no ink or gaps between the CMYK and the white ink. Essentially, the white elements shrink. This concludes our white and clear ink data options in Fiery XF. Now let's head to the learning checkpoint and see what you've learned.